let's do something different. Movie review time. I just saw Terminator Salvation, and have to say that it great. While nowhere near as good as Terminator 2 Judgment Day, it is way better than T3 and a great action flicks. Terminator Salvation is possibly first Terminator film that is partly seen, though the eyes of a Terminator named Marcus Wright, a common criminal given an unwanted second chance, as well John Connor, now foot soldier and symbolic leader of Resistance, who is, unfortunately, untrusted by early leadership of human Resistance. The movie opened with the execution of Marcus Wright in 2008, a man who just gave up his body to science. Marcus is resigned to death, and see no hope for salvation. He sees the giving of his body just another way rid his body form world he wants no part of anymore. Later in the year 2018, on a recon mission, we meet John Connor. While seen by many as a voice of hope, John is untrusted by the generals of human Resistance. His team uncover human captives as well, the plans to the much feared T-800, but his team is ambushed, and John is left as only survivor, or so he thinks. After John Connor forces his ways into human Resistance hidden HQ, a submarine off the coast of California, he informs the leadership his discovery. His news is viewed a bit of indifference, but is not dismissed. The generals then informs John of a signal that may disable Skynet and its army of Terminators. John quickly offers to have his team to test signal and take part in a possible attack of Skynet in San Francisco. Meanwhile, Marcus wakes up to a world that is devastated and is unsure how he got there. He is quickly joined Kyle Reese, leader of the LA Resistance and future father of John Connor. The LA Resistance made up of two people, Kyle and young girl named Star, who is in his care. They both join Marcus' quest of answers. Unfortunately, Kyle is captured by a harvester, a huge machine that collect human, and taken away to Skynet factory/death camp in San Francisco. Marcus makes chase and runs into an A-10 pilot named Blair Williams. Blair convinces Marcus to go her HQ meet with John Connor. Unfortunately for Marcus, he runs into an mines and is taken, only to make shocking discovery Marcus is a machine. John is shocked and conflicted. Can he trust Marcus? How can he save Kyle? Can he convince the skeptical leadership, who are just as cold-blooded and ruthless as Skynet, to hold off the attack? And can he save a world where the rules seems to chance and heartbeat? The movie fast pace is better thought out. The T3, the human story, is front and center as Marcus seeks answer he finds in Soul and the end chance to make things right, and John Connor's search between becoming the leader that must become with need to maintain his humanity in face great cruelty. It somewhat lacks character development, the hallmark of both original Terminator and T2. It does hold up as solid story despite a number plot hole. There are plenty of reference for T1 and T2 for the die-hard fans, and Arnold's CG imposed appearances a cannot miss. Well, that is all for now. Bye.